love this. I'm so shocked. Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel, the family and the crew. I would like to thank Dossier for sponsoring today's video. I cannot wait to share which luscious luxury scent I picked out, but first I want to give y'all a sneak peek of my room tour.
Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, so can you take me on a date? The simple things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home?
Hey everybody, welcome back you guys. I hope y'all are doing well, staying blessed and being safe. It's just been so much going on. We done had 3 deaths in our family back to back within like a week period of time, and then everything that I have going on. It's just been a crazy week, but I needed something to get my mind off of everything. So I would like to first thank Dossier for collaborating with me in today's video. When they had first reached out to me about reviewing the Dossier perfume, I was stuck because I was like, oh my God, I don't know what fragrances I like. My journey, y'all know that I've been saying that I am definitely stepping outside of my box, outside of my comfort zone, and just stepping into my adult femininity, stepping into who Alicia is and what Alicia likes. So with that being said, you guys know that I have never been like the perfume person. I'll do body mist or body sprays, lotions, stuff like that. But I have never found a perfume that I like. I've never had the chance to go out and look and find a perfume that I like. What's so good about this site, the very first time I went on it, I had actually emailed the young lady that I was going through, and I was asking if there's anything she could recommend because I just was so lost. So she told me to go on the site and they have a survey. You fill the survey out. They just ask, like the basic, what scents do you like, what tones, like whether it's flowers or whatever, like what type of scents you like. And then that way they can kind of recommend it through there. So that was a good thing for me. And so when I went on and I was seeing all these different scents and flowers and undertones, and I was like, I still didn't know. So I said, okay, well, let me just step out on faith, because I know I still love like a unisex scent, and I'm more of that sexy, sensual men undertone even when I buy my candles. So I was like, okay, I want to go for that. I have heard of Tom Ford, so I was like, let me try something that is like Tom Ford inspired. So I went on and I got the powdery hawthorn. And so I'm gonna go ahead on, and first, before I show it to you all, y'all already know how the box come packaged. If you guys have not, if y'all was like me, and the box does come packaged really well, and then you just get the card, and it tells you like all the different notes and stuff, and I will have it listed on the screen, and I also will read it to you guys. And then you get your 50 milliliter bottle with the label on it, and y'all done seen this infamous label. It's all on Instagram, it's on all social media sites. And then you also get like the little trial size, and the only thing that they ask is that when you, and before you open your actual bottle, try to get your trial size and spray it on you, see if you like it, see if it's, you know, if it's something that you really would wear, if it works well with your body chemistry. And if not, you just return the actual bottle back. You get your money back, no questions asked. So it's real simple with returns. And they also have it on your card. So I'm going to go ahead on and read it, and then I'm going to tell y'all what I think about it. I have not, when I say have not, I have not sprayed it yet, and I've been waiting to do this. On here with their notes, what it tell you is powdery hawthorn. Their top notes is aldehydes, neroli, and orange blossom. Their middle notes are hawthorn, heliotrope flower, and their base notes is vanilla, amberette, and Peru balsam. And I hope that I said every last one of them right. Of course, it is inspired by Tom Ford. Dossier, our mission is to deliver the highest quality, luxury-inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. And I'm going to spray it here. I'm so shocked. I am so shocked by this, y'all. I was not expecting this. Oh, man. This smells so good. It is definitely unisex, which is great for me. I wish I could find this in a candle because I love candles. Oh, my God. This smells so good. And I cannot wait to wear it like all day and see how it's going to mesh with my body chemistry. But I love this scent. You can definitely smell the orange. You can smell the vanilla. And it has like a dark chocolate, almost like a Dove, that Dove dark chocolate. And I love chocolate. This smells so good, you guys, because it's sensual and sexy, but it's not overpowering, and it's definitely unisex. And I know most ladies, for the most part, already know what type of perfumes they like, but there's some ladies out there that's like myself, or young girls that's out there like myself, that really don't know what type what kind of perfume will work with their body chemistry, or they're just not sure what they like, or they may want to try something else out. So definitely, you guys, go over to the site, take the quiz first. If you're unsure, go ahead on and take that quiz. It'll give you options on different things to look for. And if you want to redo the quiz, you can redo it as many times as you would like. Are interested in trying out Dossier, if y'all have tried it before and you want to go get it again. If you got a perfume and you loved it, but now you want to try something else, go on the site, see what you like, take the quiz, and use my discount code. That my link will send you right to it. And also, y'all, let me know in the comment section if y'all have tried it before, if y'all have used it, what was y'all favorite scents, or if y'all have friends or family that used it and what they said their favorite scent is. Just talk to your girl and tell me. Thank you again, Dossier, for working with me and sponsoring today's video. I appreciate it. I would love to work with you again. I cannot wait to work with you all again. Walking into this new part of my life, I'm ready. I'm so ready to just step outside of my box and comfort zone and just try new things that I have never tried before. So I want to thank them, and I want to thank you guys. And we're going to go ahead on and hop into the rest of this video and just talk about what's been new, okay? All right, y'all. I just got finished asking Faye what he think about it, because he wasn't in here when I did the video. He loved my pictures. Y'all see the pictures on my thing. But I asked him what he liked. He did not know what was in here. So I asked what he thought, and what was your words?
It smells real good, and it's light. It's not a high scent, so if you have sinus or anything like that, you don't have to worry about it messing with your allergies. And it has like that kind of like a hint of dark chocolate smell, like that sweetness. Like,
Right.
So just know if you wear it for your man or your woman, like they're gonna love it.
Right.
And I just want to eat her up, but whatever. It's not fruity at all.
Right.
And that's a good thing.
Yeah,
like,
it's not fruity because I'm not one
It's
of
a
them.
mild, like, scent. Smells really good.
Right.
I would definitely buy some more of that for her because, like, my allergies are bad, and I don't like the rose petals. I don't like those girly smells.
I don't either. But we finna head out of here because we gotta go get our baby. If I don't get all tangled up, this the real life part of it, y'all. But can you put that tripod back over there, please? I mean that ring light. I ain't trying to blind y'all. Well, actually, you can just sit over there that side. I'll move it later because I still got to do a whole another review. I'm telling y'all, real life. Y'all get to see a little bit of back scenes, behind the scene, real life. But I really do appreciate you. I'm so happy. I think out of all my reviews, that was one of my favorite reviews that I have done. Does she don't have to go nowhere, does she? Can you ask her? Hopefully she don't. Because every day Rihanna got somewhere to go. But I'm about to. You see that scrunchie up there anywhere? Might be over here. It's right here. Because y'all know me. I don't like a lot of hair hanging. I do have on a maxi dress. So I'm going to show y'all the dress. Yeah, it's something different, y'all. I got my new tripod. They ordered this. Well, I placed the order for it, but he got it for me. Because I was using ALISHA'S. And hers is on the order, this one, too. And they got the little... I don't know where I put it. I think it's in my drawer. Yeah. With the little remote. So, yeah. I like it. And it was only $20 on Amazon. And that's the one that I wanted. I didn't want nothing expensive. Because I'm not going to be rough on it. And y'all know my tripod I've been having. The same tripod I've been having. I got that from Amazon. My friend had gifted me that about 3 years ago. So, yeah. And this is my dress. Y'all didn't get a chance to see it. And it's just simple. I did get this from Goodwill, so I'm going to do a Goodwill haul so y'all will see this again in it. But it's just a cold shoulder dress. And they got the split down the side, but the splits is not too high. It's very modest. And it comes with pockets, which I love about this dress.
Don't she look good, y'all? Hey.
And it's just what I've been getting. A lot of them. I told y'all I was going to buy. My slips over here. I told y'all I was going to buy a lot of different dresses. And I'm just putting on these Steve Madden shoes, sandals that I also got from Goodwill. But I bought these not last year. I don't know. I've had this. I don't know when I got them. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. That's what I'm wearing today. Simple, comfortable, easy. And this dress is an extra large. I had to get in an extra large because a large wouldn't have did nothing. And they just sitting there looking. Now we're finna go get our baby. We're gonna get Riri. And I just have a simple look on my face. Powder. I'm gonna show y'all what powder I got on. Riri, wait 1 second. This is the one that I use. It is the Maybelline Fit Me in the 355. That's what I got on my face. With some lip gloss. And this is my lip gloss. It is the, I can't see, LA Color lip gloss. And I just put a little lip liner on my lips. And that's it. Very simple. And all I did to my brows was brush them. I just brushed them. Yep. Because y'all know I don't do a whole lot to my brows. And y'all can tell it. Oh, mama. Hey, Milo. Milo likes to eat on my feet, y'all. But I hope y'all like my room. I'm gonna do a full detail. Like, I'm gonna go detail and tell y'all where I got stuff from. If y'all are interested on a second channel. But I'm gonna show you guys what I cooked today. All right, this is my Cajun chicken Alfredo. You guys seen that I have done this before, and I do have, thank you babe, I needed that light. And I do have some red, yellow, and orange, the sweet peppers in there. I will have that, and some sweet peas, and we will have the review to this when I was cooking this on the 3rd channel, Cooking with the Crew. And I did some crescent rolls, and we had those smoked sausage from breakfast, and we had them on the bread with some mustard. Y'all know how we do. But yeah, I'm gonna come back home and I'm gonna grub, because I didn't get to eat yet. Our mamas ate, but we didn't eat yet. We just had smoked sausage and Philip ate. So now we're gonna go get Riri. There's Alicia cleaning up her puppy's mess. There go mama.
He did it twice today. He did only thing twice. He was close. His legs were probably just off a little bit, but he was close.
All right, so we're going to get Riri, and I'm coming right back home and get on that recliner and watch some videos, because I am not feeling my best, you guys. When I say I am aching and sore, I am hurting. From my stomach all the way down, it's hurting me. But my doctor did say I need to get a little vitamin D every day, so a little sunlight. At least once a day, and I'm gonna be in the air. It's just getting out for a second. So that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. And don't worry, I'm going home and getting me a lot of rest. I will do an updated video on what's going on with my health. That video, excuse me, will be coming out in the next vlog over here on this channel. So I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate everybody who stayed this long. And we love you guys. We will see y'all in the next video. Y'all stay blessed. Stay safe out here. Please be careful. Please be careful, y'all. And we will see y'all later.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too.